Words can't define love. A love between two people that society might never accept. It's a kind of love that can break marriages, ruin friendships, and shatter trust. But love is blind and knows no limits. When someone discovers their partner has fallen for someone else, they often lose confidence, feel worthless, and may even spiral into depression or make bad choices. Whoever has love, has the world. Love is priceless, love is everything. Love speaks its own language. Prem was going to visit a hill town in northern Jharkhand for the first time. Hazaribagh was a historic place known for its beautiful scenery, with areas like Canary Hill surrounded by trees and peaceful temples. The town was often called a natural gallery because of its amazing views, and Prem had heard a lot about it. When his childhood friend Rocky invited him to visit, Prem was thrilled at the chance to finally see it for himself. An invitation from a friend. Rocky worked as an executive engineer and had recently gotten married after years of hard work. He hadn't been able to invite Prem to his wedding, so he asked him to spend the Christmas holidays together instead. Rocky's wife, Smita, liked the idea too and was excited to meet Prem, having heard many stories about him from Rocky. The journey begins. The journey to Hazaribagh was amazing for Prem. The train passed through green valleys and misty hills, giving him glimpses of the beauty he was about to experience. When he arrived at the station, the cool winter air greeted him, carrying the scent of pine trees. Rocky was already there, waiting with a big smile. They hugged and laughed, their friendship as strong as ever. At Rocky's home, Prem was warmly welcomed by Smita. She was friendly and made him feel at ease right away. Their house, surrounded by trees, was decorated with lights for the holiday season, making it look cozy and festive. Smita had cooked a big meal, and the three of them spent the evening talking about old memories, laughing at Rocky's funny stories, and sharing updates about their lives. A call brings laughter. One cold evening, Rocky and Smita were sitting in their garden, enjoying hot tea. The garden was full of colorful winter flowers, making it a peaceful spot to relax. While they were talking, the phone rang. Smita got up to answer it. "Hello," she said. There was a brief pause before the person on the other end spoke. "Is this Rocky's number?" they asked. "Yes, it is. I'm his wife, Smita. Let me get him for you." "Please hold on," she replied. Then, handing the phone to Rocky, she smiled and said, "It's Prem Babu." Rocky's face lit up. "Prem, you rascal. You remembered me after all this time," he said, laughing. "How are you?" "I'm good," Prem replied with excitement. "And I'll be seeing you soon." Playful banter. Rocky started thinking about what they could do during Prem's visit. "You're coming? That's great. Don't worry about anything. We'll take care of it all." Hearing the conversation, Smita joked, "Rocky, is your friend as unromantic as you? Or does he at least have some charm?" Rocky laughed. "Oh no, Smita. Prem is nothing like me. He's funny and charming. I'm warning you, you might fall for him right away." Smita grinned and said, "Well, if he's as amazing as you say, who knows? But don't worry, Rocky, you're stuck with me for life." Her laughter was cheerful and light-hearted. Plans for an unforgettable visit. The conversation turned to planning Prem's visit. Rocky suggested they hike up Canary Hill, which was known for its stunning views and peaceful surroundings. Smita said she would prepare a picnic with her special homemade sweets. They were both excited, coming up with ideas to make the trip unforgettable. Later, Rocky held Smita's hand and kissed it gently. "I hope we are longer apart, he said softly. They shared a loving look, their bond evident in the silence that followed. Overheard love. What they didn't realize was that Prem, still on the phone, overheard everything. He felt a mix of embarrassment and amusement but couldn't help smiling at the depth of their love. It made him even more eager to spend time with them and get to know Smita, who seemed just as lively and warm as Rocky had described. A memorable holiday. The upcoming days promised to be filled with fun, exploration, and meaningful conversations. Prem was excited to discover Hazaribag's history and beauty while enjoying the company of his close friends. It was shaping up to be a holiday to remember.